Hello students, now in this video let us solve some more problems on non-homogeneous recurrence relation. So let me take example, solve the non-homogeneous recurrence relations. Non-homogeneous recurrence relations. Now I will take the first one here. Already we have seen in previous video, for solving non-homogeneous type of recurrence relation we have to find homogeneous solution as well as the particular solution. So here let me take the problem. AR minus 2 AR minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 raised to R, where A1 is equal to what? 16. So now solution for this, the given recurrence relation is what does that? AR minus 2 AR minus 1 equal to 3 into 2 raised to R. Fine. Now the associated homogeneous recurrence relation or the homogeneous equation is what? It will be AR minus 2 AR minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore the characteristic equation is what was the characteristic equation? It will be alpha minus 2 is equal to what? 0. So that gives alpha is equal to 2 is a characteristic root. Okay. Now as this is characteristic root, therefore the homogeneous solution is what it is? It will be ARH is equal to A into 2 raised to what? R. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be 1. We need it. Let it be 2. Okay. Now what is with us? F of R. We have to find particular solution first. Now f of R is what? 3 into 2 raised to R. So where this is of the kind what? P into lambda raised to R, or some constant C into lambda raised to R, where this lambda is what? The characteristic root. This 2 is a characteristic, where 2 is a characteristic root. Of multiplicity 1, because it is a root once only of multiplicity 1. Therefore by rule 4 of general form of particular solution, we get ARP or the particular solution is P into R into 2 raised to R. Okay. Let it be equation number 3. Fine. Now we need this for getting P from 1. Now from this, therefore equation 1 implies AR minus 2 AR minus 1. AR is this. So P R into 2 raised to R minus 2 times P R minus 1 into 2 raised to R minus 1 equal to 3 into 2 raised to R. Fine. Now here again, like a previous example, this 2 raised to R minus 1 is the least one. We will take that one common. So we get 2 raised to r minus 1 common, what does left here? Here it is p into r into what? 2 raised to 1 minus this 2p into r minus 1 as it is, and right hand side also I will write as what? 2 raised to r minus 1 into 2. So these are get cancelled. Fine. Now this one, how does we write? It is 2pr minus, open the bracket, this is 2pr plus 2p is equal to what? 2. These are get cancelled. 2p is equal to 2. Therefore, p is equal to what? 1. So once p is equal to 1, therefore 3 implies. Equation 3 gives. 3 will be arp is equal to what? R 2 raised to r is a particular solution. Fine. Hence the general solution is what does the general solution? General solution will be AR is equal to ARH plus ARP. ARH is from 2 and ARP will be from here. So ARH will be what? A into 2 raised to R plus R into 2 raised to R. Now this is our AR. Let it be star. Fine. Or this is the general solution. Simply from initial condition we have to get the value of A here and substitute it there. Fine. Now as A1 is equal to what? 16. So this gives us, put R is equal to 1 here. So it is 2A plus this is 2. Okay. This is 2. Wait a minute. Here something will wrong. Here 3 is left by mistake from me. So 3 is here. 3 2s are, so it will become 6. So P will be what? 2P will be 6. This gives 2P is equal to 6. So P is equal to what? 3. Fine. P is equal to 3. So here I get, this is 3 R 2 raised to R. So here also 3 R 2 raised to R. So here I get 3 2s are 6. Fine. And that is equal to what? 16. So from this I get A is equal to what? 5. A is 5. Sorry for this mistake. 3 by mistake I forgot this 3. Previous example such a multiplier is not there. That's why I forgot it. Now be careful for this one. This should be, you won't forget this. Now let me write this one here. This is 3 into this part. Fine. Now A will be 5. Therefore the required solution is what? AR is equal to 5 plus 3R. I can take that part common. 2 raised to what? R. We can write it as 5 into 2 raised to R plus 3R into 2 raised to R. That one, from that I have taken 2 raised to R common, and this will be. This is our required solution here. Once again, sorry for this mistake. Now let me take one more, the next example here. We have to take some more examples further also of this one. Now this is our last topic here. Now the next example is that same, solve the non-homogeneous recurrence relation. The recurrence relation is AR plus 5 AR minus 1 plus 6 AR minus 2 equal to 3R square minus 2R plus 1. Now again solution. the given with the initial conditions are the initial conditions are with A0 and A1 both are given as 2, suppose. So now the given recurrence relation is what does that? It will be AR plus 5AR minus 1 plus 6AR minus 2 is equal to what? 3R square plus 2R minus 2R is this minus 2R plus 1. Now the associated homogeneous equation is what does it? It will be AR plus 5AR minus 1 plus 6AR minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Has the characteristic equation what it is? Alpha square plus 5 alpha plus 6 equal to 0. So that gives us alpha plus 2 into alpha plus 3 equal to 0. So alpha is equal to what? Minus 2 and minus 3 are real and distinct characteristic roots. Therefore the homogeneous solution is what does the homogeneous solution? It will be ARH is equal to A1 into minus 2 raised to R plus A2 into minus 3 raised to R. Fine. Now further we have to work on f of r. What is f of r? F of r is what? 3r square minus 2r plus 1 is a polynomial of degree 2 where alpha equal to 1 is not a characteristic root. Alpha equal to 1 is not a characteristic root. Therefore, using the general form of particular solution, we get ARP will be what? P0 plus P1R plus P2R square. Let it be equation 2. This will be equation 1, suppose. Now we have to use this 2 in 1. Fine. So this 1 implies what does this? This will be P0 plus P1R plus P2R square plus 5 times what? This we get P0 plus P1 into what? R minus 1 plus P2 into what? R minus 1 square. Okay. Plus 6 times we get P0 plus P1 into R minus 2 plus P2 into what? R minus 2 square equal to 3R square minus 2R plus 1. Now what we have to do? We have to open these brackets, multiply by 5. What we get? We get P0 plus this P1R plus P2R square as it is, plus 5 into, let me simplify this first, P0 plus, this is very easy, P1R minus P1, okay, plus this will be what, R square minus 2R plus 1, so it will be P2 R square minus 2R P2, okay, plus 1, so it will be plus P2, fine. Now again plus 6 into, what is this, P0 plus P1R minus 2P1 plus here P2 R square minus 4R P2 plus 4P2, and that is equal to 3R square minus 2R plus 1. Now open this bracket, multiplying by 5. So this will give me P0 plus P1R plus P2R square plus 5P0 plus 5P1R minus 5P1 plus 5P2R square. Now this 5 into 2, so it will be minus 10 R P2 plus 5 P2 again, okay, plus now multiply by 6 here, so 6 P0 plus 6 P1R minus 12 P1 plus what we get, 6 P2 R square minus 24 R P2 plus again 24 P2 equal to 3R square minus 2R plus 1. So here by simplifying it we get, look at here, P2R square, this is 5P2R square and 6P2R square. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, so 12 P2R square, okay. Now again collect the terms of R. Here P1R, this is also P1R, so these are 6 P1R and 6 plus 6 here again 12 P1R, fine. Now collect the term for P2R. P2R, this is minus 10 minus 24, so they will be minus 14, sorry minus 34, it will get added. So here we get 12 P1 minus 34 P2 into what, R, okay, and the remaining are what, the constant terms. So how many are they, P0 plus 5 P0 plus 6 P0, so 12 P0, 12 P0. Now for P1 this is minus 5 P1, this is minus 12 P1, so minus 17 P1, okay, this one. And for P2, how many, now here 5 P2 and 24 P2, so it will be 29 P2, and that is equal to what, 3R square minus 2R plus 1. Now simply we have to compare these two sides. So comparing these we get this 12 P2 is equivalent to what, 3. So comparing both sides, we get 12 P2 is equal to what, 3. Again this 12 P1 minus 34 P2 is equal to what, minus 2, and 12 P0 minus 17 P1 plus 29 P2 is equal to what, 1. Now we can easily solve these. Here from here we get P2 will be substituted, here we will get P1 P2 with us, so we get P0. So by solving these we get P naught is equal to 71 upon 288. P1 is 13 upon 24. Here it is 13 upon 24, and P2 is what? 1 by 4. As such, these values we get. Now these values we have to put up in 2, in equation 2. So now I can rub this part. I need this homogeneous solution. You know that in general solution. Fine. Therefore, 2 implies, what does the 2? It will be ARP. ARP is what? 71 upon 288 plus 30 upon 24 R plus 1 by 4 into R is a particular solution. Fine. From this we get a general solution. General solution is, what does the solution? It will be AR equal to what? ARH plus ARP. So it is -1 into minus 2 raised to R plus A2 into what? Minus 3 raised to R plus 71 upon 288 plus 30 upon 24 to R plus 5 to R. This is the general solution. Now we have to use the initial conditions. Further, as A0 is equal to A1 equal to 2. Therefore, what does this give? By A0 is equal to 2, it gives us A1 plus A2, A0, R we have to put up 0, this part, plus 71 upon 288, and that is equal to what? 2. So that gives me A1 plus A2, this will be get subtracted to this side. Solving that we get 505 upon 288. Now again A1 equal to 2 will give me, and A1 equal to 2, so R will be 1. So it is minus 2 A1 minus 3 A2, and this is 1. So plus 71 upon 288 plus 13 upon 24 plus 1 by 4. Fine. And that is equal to what? 2. So simplifying it, we get minus 2 A1 minus 3 A2, and adding this and subtracting to, shifting to this side, we get the final one, 277 upon 288. Now this one, this equation and this, solving these two simultaneously, solving star and double star, we get A1 equal to what? A1 equal to 1792 upon 288, and A2 equal to minus 1287 upon 288. This one. Now simply substitute these one here, that will be our required solution. So hence the required solution is, hence the required solution is, what it is? it will be AR is equal to 1792 upon 288 into minus 2 raised to R plus minus 1287 upon 288 into minus 3 raised to R plus 71 upon 288 plus 13 upon 24 into R plus 1 by 4 into R square. This is our final solution here. Fine. As such, you have to solve these problems. Now, let us take the next example. The next example is that, the third one, suppose the recurrence relation is AR minus 10 AR minus 1 plus 9 AR minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 8R. Okay, with A0 is equal to 3 and A1 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, now solution for this. Now the given recurrence relation is already given. Let me write the associated homogeneous equation of the given recurrence relation is. Okay, now here itself I will call it as 1. You can write down it in answer also. Now the associated homogeneous equation is what? AR minus 10 AR minus 1 plus 9 AR minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Has a characteristic equation. Alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 9 is equal to what? 0. So that gives us alpha minus 1 into alpha minus 9 is equal to what? 0. So that is alpha is equal to 1 and 9 are distinct characteristic roots. Fine. Therefore the homogeneous solution is, what it is? It is ARH is equal to A1 into 1 raised to R plus A2 into 9 raised to R. Now f of R with us. What is f of R? It is 3 plus 8R. Is a polynomial of degree 1 and alpha equal to 1 is a characteristic root. Therefore, by the general form of the particular solution, we get AR is equal to P0 plus P1R into R raised to 1, that is R itself. Fine. Now from this one, let it be 2. Now equation 1 implies, from this we get 1, that is this is what? P0 plus P1R into R minus 10 into P0 plus P1 into R minus 1, that is into what? R minus 1. plus 9 into P0 plus P1 into R minus 2 into R minus 2 equal to 3 plus 8R. Now just like the previous example, we have to simplify it. So by simplifying it, we get this is P0 into R minus 1, P1 into R minus 1 square. So I will get P0 here, P0R plus P1 R square. Okay, here minus 10 times we get P0 into R minus 1, this one, plus P1 into R minus 1 square, plus 9 into again P0 into R minus 2 plus P1 into what? R minus 2 square. That is equal to 3 plus 8R. Now we can write P0 plus P0R plus P1R square. Now minus 10. Here this is P0R minus P0 plus this is P1R square minus 2 P1R plus P1 R square minus 2R plus 1. Okay, plus 9 into here P0R minus 2 P0, fine, plus here I get P1R square, this is minus 4R P1 plus 4 P1 equal to 3 plus 8R. So this is P0R plus P1R square minus 10 P0R plus 10 P0 minus 10 P1R square plus 20 P1R minus 10 P1 again plus 9 P0R minus 18 P0 plus 9 P1R square minus 36 P1R plus 36 P1 equal to 3 plus 8R. Okay, now here P1R square minus 10 P1R square, so minus 9 P1R square and plus 9 P1R square. The terms of R square get cancelled. Now what is left for P0R and these? So look at here, P0R minus 10 P0R minus 9 P0R and this is plus 9 P0R. So these are also get cancelled. Now here for R I am looking first. 20 P1R minus 36 P1R. So it will give us minus 16 P1R. So that gives minus 16 P1R first. Now only these terms of R. Now other are constants. Now 10 P0 minus 18 P0. So it will be minus 8 P0. Okay. And 10 minus 10 P1 plus 36 P1. So it will give us plus 26 P1 and that is equal to 3 plus 8R. Now if you compare both sides, look at this is constant, it is equal to 3 and this 8 is equal to what, this minus 16 P1. Therefore we get minus 16 P1 is equal to what, 8 and 26 P1 minus 8 P0, positive I have written first, negative later, equal to what, 3. Now from this we get P1 is equal to minus half. P1 is what, minus half I will get. And P0 will be what, by solving this, P naught will be -2. Now use this one in particular solution. Therefore 2 implies this 2 will be ARP is equal to what? -2 minus half R into R is a particular solution. Therefore the general solution is what? AR is equal to ARH plus ARP. Therefore AR is equal to this A1 into 1 raised to R plus A2 into 9 raised to R plus this part. This is, we can write it as minus taken common, minus 2 plus R by 2 into R. This is a general solution here. Now we have to find the values of A1 and A2 from initial conditions. So for that, now as A0 is equal to what? 3. So that gives us 0 we have to put up. So A0 will be 3, will give A1 plus A2. Here 0, so this whole term will become 0, equal to what? 3. And A1 is equal to 5 by 2. That gives us 1 we have to put up. So this is A1. This is 9A2 plus 9A2. R is equal to 1. So this is 1. This is 2 plus half. So it is again 2 plus half. So 5 by 2 into 1. So minus 5 by 2. Fine. Equal to 5 by 2. So that will become, that gives us A1 plus 9A2 equal to what? 5. Take this one up to this side. Now this and this equation we have to solve. Solving these, we get A1 equal to 11 by 4 and A2 equal to 1 by 4. Therefore the required solution is what it is? AR is equal to 11 by 4 into 1 raised to R, so it will be 1 plus 1 by 4 into 9 raised to R minus 2 plus R by 2 into R. This is our final solution. Okay, as such the problems are solved. Now next video we will take some more problems and later we will stop here. Thank you.